Hi all and welcome to the Loving Rest 600 Challenge, which is essentially a 30-day sleep challenge which is designed to show you how to get sleep more consistently, and at the end of the challenge you should have a full understanding of how to get better sleep for life. Okay, I'm going to gift you an interactive workshop and a toolbox of resources. But stay until the end and I'm going to explain how you can win some swag by completing the Loving Rest 600 Challenge. And we're going to get going right now. So I'm Dr. Craig, the founder of Loving Life Chiropractic and the developer of the health recovery strategy called the Loving Life Pyramid. If you enjoyed chiropractic wellness tips, exercises and recipes, hit the subscribe down below and boop the like button or spank the dislike. Whichever you do, tell me why in the comments. It's free, it takes just 15 seconds and it pumps the algorithm so that you can help other people get healthier and healthier. So the top of our health recovery strategy, the Loving Life Pyramid, is the 4 pillars of health. Full details of the strategy are right here. This is the final and top level of the Loving Life Pyramid. One of the 4 pillars is loving rest. And once people under my care complete their Loving Rest interactive workshop, details top right, they are gifted a Loving Rest toolbox and can commit to participate in the 600 challenge, where you have 30 days to collect 600 points to complete the challenge. Points are awarded for the length of sleep per day and for engaging in rest enhancing activity. Now, if you are a member of my chiropractic practice, then simply go to our private Facebook group. The link is down below in the description, and commit there and let me know your progress as you go along. You will be awarded a 600 challenge t-shirt, and when you successfully complete all 4 challenges, you will earn a My Body is a Temple sweatshirt. Now, if you're not a member of the practice, just go to the comments below and tell me I'm in, as all participants will receive a Loving Life Pyramid certificate of completion at the end of your challenge. Then follow the link in the description to download your 600 challenge workbook and the 600 challenge toolbox. You'll also be directed to the interactive workshop. As a bonus, if you are from the Ottawa area and you want to take part in our 30-day sleep challenge, then you will be gifted a Spinal Health gift bag worth over $90. So simply go down below into the description, follow the link, register a few quick details, and the staff will be in touch with you to pick up your gift bag. So enjoy the challenge, stay rested, get energized, and do what you love for longer. And as an additional gift, we have Jim's story here, where he'll tell you how he improved his sleep and reduced his snoring. I will see you on the next video. Dr. Craig, out.